A familiar face is coming back to HamShackTV. Really excited about this. Stick around. Hello everybody, welcome back to Orlando, Florida. We're still in Florida for Hamcation. Now this video is probably being released at a much later date than Hamcation. It's already came and went, but hope you're doing well. Thank you for tuning in. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX, hanging out here. Dummy load over here, Jason, Ham Radio 2.0's truck over here. Anyway, point of this video is a familiar face is returning to HamShackTV. I have no idea why my camera is pointing straight up in the air, but we are excited to announce that Lido Radio Mounts will be returning to HamShackTV. We are starting our partnership back up, and I've got a product that Jim gave me graciously to try out. You know, in my truck, I've been dealing with, I've had this CD player mount for my 7100, my ICOM 7100, and that works phenomenally with one problem. It's hard to access my air conditioner and see the status of it. So, what I have elected to try out is this guy. It's a cup holder mount. So, it's really kind of cool. There's this little add-on here that is for the microphone, but I love this. This is fantastic. So cup holder, it fits in your cup holder right here, right like so, and then has this ball joint right here with the arm that comes up, and your radio mounts to a plate here on the bottom, a screw plate, and then this is a little add-on for the mic holder. Now, one thing we were discussing that I keep running into problems with is that these adhesive mic holders, they don't do well in the heat. So if you are dealing with heat, it is probably best to take your mic off and don't store your mic on the hook during the heat. But here it is. There's my all-star node right there. So really excited about bringing back Jim and Lido Radio Mounts. I love their products. They got some great products. Sometimes you just, in business, you have disagreements and spats, and as time goes on, you know, things get resolved, and I appreciate Jim reaching out. I appreciate Jason, Ham Radio 2.0, for letting me know he was wanting to chat with me. Speaking of Lido, there's a Lido mount product right there. The speaker mount for the headrest. I was first turned on to those by Chaos 6 and AZ, Josh from Ham Radio Crash Course. Love my speaker mount back there. Guys, you're going to love Lido Radio Mounts. As a matter of fact, let's go over to the building, and I'll show you some of the products he has. All right, so here we are back in the hall, and give you a look at some of these things. So here's, and folks, I want to preface this, some of the prices you see, those may be show specials, so just be aware. But this is that headrest mount that I was talking about that I have in my truck. I love this thing. It's phenomenal. Here is the cup radio mount right here. Got one there, and then they've got one for your HTs and different things like that. Multiple cup holders, or multiple radios in the cup holder mount. Here's the LMAX 2.0.
The HT microphone has a button on the back.
Another one there.
And that's their style.
And then they got the ball clamps, double microphone clamps, aluminum brackets. This is adjustable. CD player mounts, not only for radios, folks, they can do a phone. I mean, let's be real. Let's be real. How many people are still using CD players? I don't know of many. So check them out, Lido Radio Mounts. I'll have a link down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video from Orlando, 73. AK4 WX WSCB 693.